I had the idea to free climb Cerro Torre in 2008. I was just looking at a photo of the head wall of Cerro Torre in like this old wrinkled magazine that I found in a refugio. From the first moment on, I didn't consider aid climbing it because to me free climbing is just the most natural and most beautiful style to climb a mountain. You really face a mountain's difficulties and don't pull yourself up on pitons and bolts, but you really climb with your hands and your feet and the natural features of the rock and ice.
When we started out, for me, it was clear that we would take the appropriate measures to make sure that the camera guys that were supposed to be faster, that they not only were faster but also secure. And that was the emphasis, which is a natural emphasis, but which is the wrong emphasis in Patagonia, as we collectively came to learn.
I had to rethink my whole approach towards climbing and towards alpinism in general, and that was good. I'm really happy that people were kind of mad at me and told me that I was doing things wrong and should reconsider.
The second year, David kind of took charge and said no more fixed ropes, no more fixed lines. And what you saw in the film is basically the atmosphere that came about in the third expedition.
We really made a pure documentary and didn't fake any scenes, didn't reclimb any pitch. So it's really a documentary in the most natural way, I guess. I found my personal way of climbing and found an attitude toward impossible. And if you really want to try something impossible, you also have to give the impossible a chance.